Updating your credit card information on Udemy is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Udemy website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account where you want to update your payment information. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to Payment Methods. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Payment Methods section. Click on it to view your current payment options on any saved credit cards. Step 4. Update your credit card information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new credit card information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to ensure your changes are saved and your new payment method is set. Now your credit card information on Udemy is updated. Regularly check your payment methods to keep your account secure and up to date.